Dear students, today our topic is universal gate. We discuss about the various gate, basic gates, universal gates and arithmetic gates. Now among that today we start with the universal gate, and as we know the universal gate types is a NAND gate and NOR gate. So our question is arise, why are the NAND and NOR gates known as a universal gate? Because they can implement any Boolean logic without needing any other gate. So they can develop a Boolean logic with the only and only NAND or NOR. That's why they can be used to design any logic gate too. So moreover, they are widely used in ICs because they are easier and economical to fabricate. Okay, so this is our first one. Then how to design all gates using NAND and NOR logic gates? So usually using this universal gate we can derive all the basic gates, logic gates, XNOR gates and their inverse gates. So it takes a bit of trial and error, or you can use Boolean logic to obtain this. So you have the equations for the NAND gate and for the NOR gate. So this is the main two questions that arise, why we are using the NAND and NOR gate as a universal gate. Now the NAND gate as a universal gate, we start with the NAND gate as a universal gate. So AND, OR and NOT. So these are the three gates is called as the basic gates. So as we know that these three gates known as basic gates. Okay, basic gate. So these basic gates are sufficient to implement any digital system. So if you know very well about the AND, OR and NOT, then use of these three we can convert any gate of logic gates. So here we try to discuss about the NAND gate. So first we convert this NAND gate into basic gate, and with use of this basic gate we can convert any gate. Okay, so this is our motto to design NAND gate as a universal gate. If we convert NAND or NOR to these three, we can say that we can implement any digital system by NAND gate or NOR alone. Okay, so these 2 points. Now logic gates. So we have just remember or some revision about the gate and its truth tables and its Boolean expressions. So this is our recap. So NOT gate. So as we know that the NOT gate is equal to y is equal to a bar. If input is 0, then output is 1, and input is 1, the output is 0. Same way the AND gate, the y is equal to a dot b, and output is 0 0 0 1. So this is our input is fixed 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Then after OR gate, then OR gate is equal to y is equal to a plus b, and our output is change 0 1 1 1. So these three gates are the basic gates. So you have to remember about these three gates. And now we want to prove that the NAND gate is a universal gate. Here NAND gate y is equal to a dot b bar, and its output truth table is a 1 1 1 0. So we have to convert this NAND gate in among the three gates in a universal mode. So same way the NOR gate, if the input is 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1, the output will be 1 0 0. So here NOR gate, as we know, a plus b bar, and then after if the XOR gate, the output is 0 1 1 0. Here XOR gate we have to know that a plus circle b, or also we can consider as a bar b plus a b bar. Then after XNOR gate, the output is a 1 0 0 1. Here is only the complement of the XOR gate, output complement of the XOR gate, means a plus circle b bar. So this is our revision of the logic gates. Now we want to develop the all gates with the use of only and only AND gate. Okay, let's start. So first our gate is a NAND as a NOT. Now we know that the NOT gate is a single input gate. Now here for the NOT gate we have to know that the y is equal to A dot B bar for NAND gate. Okay, and here A and B, they are two input, but here NOT gate is always for the single input, so we have to consider single input A as a two input. So Y is equal to A dot A bar. So here B, instead of B we are using A. At that point A dot A is equal to A and bar is common, means A bar. So this is a value of NOT gate. This is the Boolean expression of NOT gate. So we have to change here from NAND to NOT. We have to take an input both as A. So what is the diagram is here? So two input NAND gate. So here our NAND gate, but A, and instead of B here write A. So output will be A bar. So this is Y is equal to A bar. This consider as a NOT gate. So this is our conversion of NAND as a NOT. Now second one is a NAND as a AND gate. Now we know that for the NAND as a NOR gate, we have to just remember about this cycle. Suppose NAND gate we have to convert into AND, we just here implied NOT gate. So NAND to write this way. Suppose AND gate and applied NOT gate, then it will be convert AND gate. So what happened here? So two input just A and B, we just give here is the AND gate. Okay, and then convert, then it is a Y is equal to A dot B bar. Okay, so AND gate and then in convert, so we get this NAND gate. Same way for the NAND gate we have to also change. So this one is called as a NAND gate, this one is called as a NAND gate. Now we want to develop the AND gate. So what happen here? Just you take one NAND gate A and B. Now we want to convert, because NOT to AND you use to NOT, but we know that the NOT will be designed same way here. So we taken as a NOT gate here. So this is a NOT as a and this is a NAND gate. Okay, so this will output is a Y is equal to A dot B, because here output is A dot B bar and here output is A dot B bar and bar, so A dot B. So this will using this two NAND gate we develop the AND gate. Here we are using only one and here using two. Okay, so these two. Now we considering about the NAND as a NOR gate. Now remember NAND as a NOR gate, we should have some confusion, or we should have to remember, because in OR gate our Y is equal to A plus B, and here our NAND gate we are having Y is equal to A dot B bar. So this dot product we want to convert in plus product or additional product. So this will be using some relations or some rules we have to develop. So here we using De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law, it will be A dot B bar, it means is equal to A bar plus B bar. So using this theorem we have to convert this NAND gate into OR gate. NAND gate into OR gate in form of dot product. So for that we have just take, because here we require A bar and B bar, so take where input 1 using a NAND gate here. So I here applied A, the output is A bar. So as a NAND as a NOT here I implied. Same way I take a second input and convert into B bar form. Now we want to check these two given into the another NAND gate. We are using here only the NAND gate. Okay, only the NAND gate. So what happened here? So A bar dot B bar and whole bar. Okay, A bar dot B bar dot whole bar. Now, as per the De Morgan's law, we have to check what is the happening. Suppose A bar I consider as a X and B bar I consider as a Y and bar. So implement here X bar plus Y bar. Now we have put here for X is equal to A bar and Y is equal to B bar. So here A bar then B bar to bar. So this will be changed A plus B. So this is similar to our OR gate. So these three gate set in this manner, 1, 2 and 3 NAND gate, we can make a NAND as a NOR gate. So at that gate proof we have to use De Morgan's law. So this is our NAND as a OR gate. And NAND as a NOR gate, so we know that any, suppose this is a OR gate and we have change in a NOR form, or we have to, suppose this is a NOR gate and this is a converted here, we can change into the form of OR gate, or same way OR to NOR. So here we require only the gate, instead of increasing only the one gate in a in forward position to the here OR gate. So here is our diagram. This is our single input A bar, then B bar. So this is our A B and A bar, then B bar joins together and make first OR gate. So this is our A plus B OR gate, and we want to convert in a form of A plus B bar. So here just we put one another AND gate which is used for the conversion of our input. So A plus B bar. So this is equivalent to our NOR gate. So this way we can develop by using 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this NAND as a NOR we are using 4 NAND gate. Same way we are using as a 3 NAND gate. So same way we have to remember about this particular gates about the design. Now our next one is how to make the exclusive OR gate and exclusive NOR gate. So in this way we have to discuss in a detail that we have to remember about the equation or formula. What is the formula of construction of XOR gate? Now here we know that for the XOR gate Y is equal to A plus circle B. Also we can written as A bar B plus A B bar. Now in this fashion we have easy to develop this portion and this portion. This is a dot product. So we have just taken first A bar. So I taken as a single NOT gate. Here is the input. So here I get A bar, and B I can take a direct B, and we are using these two for the fashion to convert dot product. Dot product, it means NAND as a AND. So NAND as a AND I using two gates. NAND as a NAND I using two gates. So how we can develop? So these two input we have just applied here one another NAND gate. So what happen? A bar dot B whole bar. Okay, but I don't want this bar. I don't want this bar. So once again it converted by using NOT gate. So I get A bar dot B. So this portion, suppose I call X, it will be achieved. Now same way I want to achieve this Y. So same procedure, I take A direct, then B is a bar. So B inverted, and here is a B bar. Then it will be the multiplied. So I using one another gate here. So I achieve here a bar b whole bar, but I don't want this bar, so I just invert this by using this gate. So I get a bar, sorry, a dot b whole bar. So bar is here remove, so I get a dot b bar. It's the same as a y. Now this x and y I want addition. So for that addition, as we know, we require how much gate? We require 3 gate, and for using this 3 gate we can add our addition. So for that addition we applied the De Morgan's law. So according to De Morgan's law, we have to connect in a such a way. So this x and y, just I write it here, x input and the y input. Now I will be add with the first convert. So here is the x bar and the y bar. Then I will be convert directly given into one another, means x y whole bar. So apply here De Morgan's law is a dot b bar is equal to a bar plus b bar. So I want this formula here. So here I will be applied for x bar dot y bar whole bar, then x bar bar plus y bar bar, it means x bar plus y bar. So here I write as a x bar plus y bar. So this is our x and this is our y. So implement here, we get a bar b plus a b bar. So here I require 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So 9 XOR for making XOR we require NAND gate. So we want to reduce this particular gates requirement of the gates, but here is our particular design for using maximum numbers of NAND gate and design it. For next one is suppose XNOR, so we have to just insert here one another AND gate and make a XNOR gate like a plus circle b bar. So this is our up to this for the gate how to design, but our question is now to reduce, how to reduce these numbers of using gates. So we have to discuss. So here I just explain. Our title is NAND as XOR using minimum NAND gate, using minimum NAND gate. So first of all you just remember our is a 2 input A and B. This A and B both are inverted here. So I get A dot B bar. So this A dot B bar just I give here. Okay, and here I just input another NAND gate, and same way here I using another NAND gate. So what happened? This is A and this is B. So our output is A dot B bar whole bar, and here B dot A dot B bar whole bar. Okay, and these two once again I given into the another NAND gate. So I just received A dot B bar whole bar into B dot A dot B bar whole bar, and once again the another. Okay, so this will equivalent to XOR. How we can check our equation? From here we have to simplify. So here we have simplified according to De Morgan's law. We can apply here. So our the capital bar, then A dot A bar plus B bar, and bar is there. Okay, then dot B dot A bar plus B bar and whole bar. Okay, so for simplify here, I get A dot A bar plus B bar plus B A bar plus B bar. Once again I using dot to plus, means multiply to addition, we have to using De Morgan's law. Here is a just simplify the brackets, A B bar plus B A bar plus B B bar. Okay, so here is the value is 0 and here is also 0. So our final value is A B bar plus B A bar. Also you can write same way, A bar B plus A B bar, which is equivalent to A plus circle B. So these 4 gate minimum we can use to make NAND as a XNOR. Now minimum NAND as a XNOR, for design XNOR we just insert one another gate. So here as a we just develop one here, then one here, same way we can same this way, just you insert and just you convert the output of X, or we get here A plus circle B bar. So XNOR using 5 NAND gate. So this way we can explain about the NAND gate as a universal gate. So I hope you can understand. In next session we discuss about the NOR as a NAND gate or NOR as a universal gate. Okay, thank you very much. Welcome back dear students. In this session we discuss about the NOR gate as a universal gate. In previous session we discuss about the NAND gate as a universal gate. In this session we discuss about the NOR gate as a universal gate. Now as we know, for the NOR gate or any gate we have to using these 3 basic gate. For using these basic gates and or and not, we can using these 3 gates you are sufficient to implement any digital systems or any logic gate. So by using these 3 we can develop any logic gate. So that's why if we convert by using this NOR gate and or and not, we can directly convert any of these 3. That's why we can say that implement any digital systems by NOR alone. So let us start, because we have to basic knowledge about the all gates Boolean expression is truth table in previous session also. That's why we have directly study by using this NOR gate as a universal gate. So first of all our agenda is to convert the first basic gate by using the NOR gate. So first is our NOR as a NOT. Now for the NOR gate we know that the Boolean expression is a plus b whole bar, and our requirement is y is equal to a bar. So this is our NOT gate and this is our NOR gate. So how we can convert this NOR gate in form of this NOT? So here is the single input. That's why here I take, instead of 2 input, the same input here, and then this will given into the NOR. So this is our symbol of NOR. So what happened? Instead of B, here I take as A. So A plus A whole bar. So by using the Boolean expression low, A plus A we have taken as A. So A bar. So this using this single one in NOR gate we can convert. So the symbol is, this is single input, sorry, this is single input and the symbol of NOR. So A converted A bar. So this is our first gate, NOR as a NOT. So whenever we require this NOT gate, we can draw as a NOR form. Okay, now our second one is a NOR as a OR gate. Now we know that y is equal to a plus b. This is a equation of our OR gate, but we have y is equal to a plus b bar, because this is a form of NOR. So we do not want this bar, so we have to convert this formula. So this will given into the NOT, so automatically this will our OR function. So what happen? We just take one NOR gate. So I take one NOR gate. Remember, we only use the NOR gate for any implementation or any proof. So here is a plus b bar. I don't want this bar, so add this NOT gate. So just using this NOT form in terms of NOR. So once again I here draw one other. So here our input just convert, the output is a plus b bar whole bar. So this is convert a plus b. So this is form of OR gate. So first of all I using NOR as a NOT, using require one NOR gate here. For NOR as a OR I require this 1 and this 2. So means 2 NOR gate. So these two gate we can develop by using only NOR. Now our third one is a NOR as a AND. Here I know y is equal to a dot b is a AND operation, and y is equal to a plus b whole bar is our NOR function. So this is our AND function and this is our NOR function. This is a plus and this is a dot. So I want to convert this plus product to dot product. So same way here I require De Morgan's law. I require De Morgan's law and convert plus form to dot product. So this is our De Morgan's law. A plus b bar is equivalent to a bar dot b bar. So here I have a plus b bar. So instead of this I written a bar dot b bar, but I don't require a bar and b bar. I just require a dot b. So what happen? If I also write same way a bar dot b bar and convert. So just I put this a bar and dot b bar and convert this a bar dot b bar in the form of using here I take NOT gate and also I using NOT gate and just convert in form of a and b. How? See, we just see our first take as a NOR gate. So I take two input. Here is a NOR gate. Here is a input and here is a b input, but I require a bar as a input and b bar as a input. So I just take one NOR gate here and just convert. I just take a NOR a. So here I change a to a bar. Same way I take a b as an input and just convert into b bar form. So now what happened? As the output is here a bar plus b bar whole bar. Okay, but I didn't want this a bar dot b bar, because in a conversion of De Morgan's law, as I see here, a bar plus b bar whole bar. So apply De Morgan's law. I just receive a bar bar dot b bar bar. So this will be converted into a dot b. So using this De Morgan's law, I receive here output y is equivalent to a dot b. So here is a y is equal to a dot b. So using these three, 1, 2 and these three NOR gate, we make a AND gate. Okay, this is simple. So what can I do first? I just check here convert the plus to dot by using the De Morgan's law, and I check this is available, and then I will be put here and simplify. This is equivalent to particular this gate. Okay, and now we know that if we just add the one another gate in a form to convert, so here input and this is our suppose AND gate, and just we inverted it become a NAND gate. So we are already having a AND gate using NOR. So we just add one another input in forward of input. So this is will be become, so this is our one gate, this is our second NOR gate, so A and B, and these two together one are using the NOR gate, and this will be inverted by using NOT gate. So what happened here is a bar and B bar. Here our output is A dot B, and final output is A dot B bar. This is equivalent to NAND gate. By using that we are require 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we require 4 NOR gate for develop NAND gate. Okay. Now we want to develop XOR gate by using NOR form. So here y is equal to a plus circle b. This is our basic formula of XOR. So this is our basic Boolean expression of XOR, and our NOR form is a plus b bar. This is our NOR form. So we want to develop here also we simplify XOR is a bar b plus a b bar. So this form we want to convert here. So at that time we require this form in form of a bar and b bar. So first of all we just take the single input and then convert and then input. Suppose this is a bar, so I take one NOR as a NOT, and this a becomes a bar, and the b I have taken direct. Okay, so this form is available. This is b and a bar. Now this is dot product. For dot product I know that I require 3 gates. I require 3 gates. So here is the input, and then I will be once again convert same way. This one is also convert, and this according to previously we see that the converting in the AND gate we require 3 gates. So this will be converted into a dot b form. Okay, so this is our a bar dot b bar. Now same way we require a dot b bar. So I take this a once again here a simple and b. So I take here as a b and then convert by using NOR as a NOT. So this is our b bar. Now these two both are using dot product or AND form. So these two inputs same as this way we can have to just convert, and these together this will taken our output is a b bar. Okay, so these two form are developed, and this plus form we have to require. So this is a NOR as a OR, so that's why we require another 2 gates of NOR here. So these two given once again here as a another way, and there's just convert. So here is a form of this output is a bar dot b plus a b bar whole bar. Okay, and this is inverted, so a bar b plus a b bar. So this all I using only NOR gate and getting this final output which is equivalent to our XOR. So we require 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 to develop this. Okay, and suppose we have to require NOR. So one other here I take gate here, I take a bar b plus a b bar whole bar, or we say that a plus circle b bar. So this form is called as NOR gate. So here I require 11 gates, or here I require 10, but this is too much. So I want to reduce this gate or reduce this circuit by using the different way. How we can draw XOR or XNOR with minimum NOR gate. Okay, so what happened? So I just draw first XOR by using minimum gate. So first of all, I remember that this will is a repeated some portion, so I have some repeated portion is delete. So this is our A, our output here. Here is the we require B, but we require, suppose this is also our second one is the B, and this is A. I require B is a inverted form, so I take here and inverted. Okay, so here I take B bar. Same way I require to convert A, so I take here, so I take here A bar, and here is a B, and here is a A. Okay, so this together I take once another NOR form. Here is what I receive A plus B bar whole bar, and here I receive A bar plus B whole bar. Once again I together I take received here A plus B bar bar plus A bar plus B bar whole bar. Okay, and once again that I have require here another gate. So what happened? I receive A plus B bar whole bar plus A bar plus B whole bar. Okay, by using this here I De Morgan's law, what happened? Plus 2 dot product, plus 2 dot product that I received here A bar dot B bar whole bar. This is dot product using this De Morgan's law here. Okay, this Morgan law here, plus here De Morgan's law I take A bar bar dot B bar. So bar bar will be cancelled out. So here I received A bar plus I received here B bar. A bar plus B bar, sorry, here B or bar I take is receive B, and here I received A. So our output is A bar B plus A B bar, because B bar bar is a B, so is a B bar bar B, and this is A bar bar A. So this is equivalent to our A plus circle B or X or get output. So this is our final Y. So these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 together make a XOR. If you require XNOR, so we do not want here to convert the last portion, we have to just remove. So this all 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, here output is our Y is equal to A plus circle B bar. So this is our equivalent to XNOR. So by using this way we can understood about the NOR as a universal gate. Okay, now remember the this thing in a form of also tabulate differently how to remember. So thank you very much for this particular universal gate. Okay.